spread. So I just bought a can of century tuna flakes in sunflower oil. Kasi meron yung isa, hot and spicy. So hindi na yung kinuha ko. Only that one. Ako lang kung magkano price. So medyo palit-litin nyo pa yung size ng pagkaka-flakes. Just like what I did a while ago, I added one whole chop of small small onions, and then of course dahil may lasa na kasi yung century tuna, I'll just add I think mga 2 pinches of salt. And then add ko ulit, bali ito na yung mixture of mayonnaise, tuna, and then tuna or flake tuna fish, and then I already added chopped onions, and we'll add also pinches of maybe 2 pinches of this powdered black pepper, and then again milk on the mixture or in the mixture. Mix it well again. Kasi maasim-asim na maalat. So I add 2 tablespoons para medyo bumalanse yung tamis, alat at asim. Okay, so yan. Then mix it well again until it's well blended already. Okay. Ito na yung tuna sandwich spread. Tinikman ko na siya, ang sarap. Okay? Before I forget, ito inalis ko yung nakalagay na oil, sunflower oil sa lata ng century tuna. Kasi hindi pwedeng maging wet yung ating final output, yung sobrang wet. That is not good once we spread it already on the bread. Okay, so lalagay ko ulit na yung final output natin ng tuna spread. Nakakalahati lang tayo or almost 3/4 of the batter. Okay, pero ang sarap niya talaga, promise. Okay, so tatakpan ko na siya just like what I told you a while ago. Dapat ang batter ay sterilized para hindi siya masira. So again, I'll cover it and then put it in the refrigerator and then use it later. Kasi i-prepare ko muna yung mga bread.